Good morning and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to do the update on the British pound versus US dollar. We'll speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first, and since we spoke yesterday about the potential reversion to the mean, a market is already basically almost there at 1.1200 50-60 mark. So market basically exactly what we forecasted in previous 2 days. Basically, market rallied about 400 pips, and of the low, it rallied basically almost 700 pips, or almost 8% rally towards the mean. So I alerted in previous sessions that there is a potential, definitely the big condition for the reversion to the mean, since market went into the extreme on the daily time frame, and basically we're now sitting near this middle Keltner line, which is a 20 exponential moving average. So this idea is progressing very well, and it's almost near the targets. So far in the intraday time frame, market is just oscillating around the previous day high at the 1.1120. So now we'll see how the price will react. I will like to see this 1.1257. Also, the market, even if the market will attack maybe the 1.1370 mark, where we caught the previous consolidation or so. So for now, it's still that on that up cycle. But again, the bigger up move already happened since from 2 days ago, when the buyers started to kick in basically quite aggressively, and now just we have the experiencing the consolidation day so far. So watch for this pivot level, middle Keltner line, and objective has been reached here. So for now, I will advise only intraday a scalp around this currency pair, because this currency pair already met almost objective of the low. So scalp only environment in the consolidation day so far in the British pound. If we speak about the gold market, we had a rally. We spoke about it. This hourly and 2 hour are probably gonna have another upswing, and this looks like a bull flag. So the structure work exactly like we spoke about, and we have a cluster of the highs and very important area around 1680 and 1685. So there's still a chance for the market to go there. Middle Keltner line is also at 1677. So probably, watching for some buying opportunities on intraday deeps, can be interesting idea towards the 1680, 1690 mark, where we have actually cluster of the swing highs and swing lows and the middle Keltner line. Also, daily time frame 1682 is the area where we have previously, where we found the major recent swing lows on the weekly time frames from the 2021 and from the March 2021. And from the August 2021. So this level can also be critical around 1682. Speaking of the crude oil market, it's in a basically strong consolidation. We can see also on the 8 hour time frame, we have a consolidation. We have basically a very narrow day yesterday, and there is a lots of swing lows on the daily around 82.30 and middle Keltner line at 83.73. So at this stage, it's we're trading also in the middle of the previous day range. So for now, the market is balanced. Watch for some kind of imbalance. If the market will clear this, let's say 82.30 mark, it can open the door for higher prices towards the 86 or 89 mark. From the other side, if we clear the go below previous day low and have some follow through, there is a potential test of 76.85 level. And if we speak about the Bitcoin versus US dollar, it's a heavy balanced regime. We are basically trading in the defined range, and again, range condition will indicate potential. Watch for the potential breakout of this trading range. If we can clear 20,400 mark, we can eventually then try to attack 22,565 from other side. If we clear the low at 18,200 mark and have some follow through to the downside, we can open the door for test of 17,500 or maybe even 14,000 mark. That will be all for this update. I hope that you enjoy Trade safe, have a good weekend, and speak to you from next week from Monday.